Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will see sequence wise dynasties and time period. First one is ancient India, Indus Valley civilization. Date is very important to 2500 to 1500 BC. Next one Vedic period 1500 to 600 BC. Next one is Mahajanapadas 600 to 321 BC. Nanda dynasty 345 to 322 BC. Maurya dynasty 322 to 185 BC. Shunga dynasty 185 to 73 BC. Next one Kanva dynasty 73 to 28 BC. Satavahana dynasty 1st century BC to 3rd century AD. Next one Kushan Empire 1st to 3rd century AD. Gupta Empire 320 to 550 AD. Harshvardhana 606 to 647 AD. Next one is Pala dynasty 750 to 1174 AD. Pratihara dynasty 750 to 1000 AD. Rashtrakuta dynasty 753 to 982 AD. Next one Chola dynasty 852 to 1279. Chalukya dynasty 6 to 12th century AD. Paramara dynasty 9 to 14th century. Next one is medieval India, very important year 1206 to 1707. First one Delhi Sultanate 1206 to 1526. First one is Slave dynasty 1206 to 1290. Khilji dynasty 1290 to 1320. Tughlaq dynasty 1320 to 1414. Sayyid dynasty 1414 to 1451. Lodi dynasty 1451 to 1526. Next Vijayanagara Empire 1336 to 1646. Bahmani Sultan 1347 to 1527. Deccan Sultan 1527 to 1687. Mughal Empire 1526 to 1857. See, first one is Babur, next is Humayun, next is Akbar, next Jahangir, next Shahjahan, next Aurangzeb. Last ruler of Mughal is Bahadur Shah II. Next one modern India 1707 onwards. Maratha Empire 1674 to 1818. Sikh Empire 1799 to 1849. British East India Company rule 1757 to 1858. British Crown rule 58 to 1947. Okay friends, these are the important sequences and year for your competitive exam. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.